Threat management. In this section, we're going to cover different tools and techniques to perform reconnaissance or footprinting. Those techniques will allow us to gather different kinds of information. Information like network information, topology, services used in the network, mapping the network. Another kind of information that we'll be gathering will be system information. What kind of operating system the network, different computer are using or server are using, open ports, service on those ports. Also, we're going to gather organization information, company names, contact, location, IP, different kind of organization information. We will also gather personal information. Now the question is why we are doing that? Why we are trying to gather information about our organization or our company? The objective or the aim, the scope of doing that is to see how much information about our company are available online for any malicious hacker. So we are doing that just to see if any malicious hacker is trying to gather as much information as he can to use them to compromise our network or to search for weakness in the system or network that we are using and use this weakness to compromise it, how much information he will get. And you will be amazed with the amount of information available for public on the internet. Now, the objective of this section is not just to do a reconnaissance or to gather information, technical and non-technical, but also to provide corrective action. So if I search for information about my company on the internet or on public websites, and I was able to get very sensitive information, maybe I need to consider, for instance, removing some services that I'm not using, but they are allowed, and accordingly, it expose our network or our system to malicious hacker. Sometimes I can find a lot of sensitive information shared by users on social network, and accordingly, maybe I need to suggest that user need to sign a non-disclosure agreement or an NDA. So our aim will be not just to gather as much information using different tools and technique and see how much information about ourselves are exposed, but also to recommend corrective action. And actually, this is the hardest part. So let's see how to do that.